In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you exactly how to unlock the free James Bond suits in the 007 First Light using the Twitch drops, including the setup, the watch time, and how to claim your rewards without missing anything. So this is the Twitch drops inventory. I will leave the link in the description down below to make it easier for you guys, but just to show some people if the link don't really pop up for you guys, you want to go on the top right hand corner where it says notifications, and then as you can see, notifications, it will tell you your recent drops. But if you click on your profile, it should be easier now. It should click the drops and reward systems, and it should pop up like this. So that's another easy way, but for me, I'm just going to leave the links for you guys so you can guys just find it a lot more easier. As you can see, there is a Twitch drop for First Light. And if you guys didn't know, I didn't know until yesterday, until I got the notification on the top right hand corner of my notification slot that I was eligible for more skins for First Light. Now, just as a disclaimer to let you guys know, unfortunately, some of these skins you don't use in-game. Bruh. I kind of noticed that the hard way, and somebody kind of let me know in the comment section. I put out a previous video talking about the preload skins that you will get, and they said, yeah, we get the preload skins, but unfortunately we don't use the skins in-game, meaning in-game missions. I think you use it in a different area of the game. I will have to do more research on that, and when I do, I will post a video on that. But unfortunately, I kind of noticed when I was playing First Light, I noticed that some of the skins are I haven't been using some of the skins in game missions, so that's kind of like unfortunate. Anyways, so back to this. You're going to claim your rewards in this setup. Now, for me, I don't know how many minutes do you have to watch your favorite Twitch streamer to get these rewards, but we're going to use Batman Lego, for example. Some of the reward system is 30 minutes, an hour, 30 minutes, and 2 hours. So the best case scenario is just to be on the safe side. Whatever streamer that you watch on Twitch, just watch them for like at least 2 hours, and then you will get your notification that, you know, you got your purple suit and your silent line for First Light. So if you get that notification, that means you watch a good couple of minutes of your favorite streamer. Once you watch your favorite streamer, you want to go to the IO incentives websites. I will leave their link in the description down below. What you want to do is you want to sign up into if you do have an account, you want to sign in. If you don't, just sign up with their account. Once you do all those basic standards like I did, you sign up into your account. First things first, you want to link your accounts that you have. So what I did was I linked the 3 main accounts that I have. I did the Epic Game Store, for example, just to see if that will work too, and that worked too. But my 3 main ones that I basically kind of use is PlayStation, Steam, and Twitch. But the main one that you want to have link, as always, it doesn't matter what game you're playing, is Twitch. You always want to link your Twitch account to the developer's website, because in most case scenarios, they're going to have some type of rewards when that game drops. For example, like Modern Warfare 4 is going to drop very soon, October 23rd, and they're going to have their beta, and they might have some exclusive drops on Twitch. So you want to make sure that you're linked into those Activision website. But for this most case scenario, we're going to be using an example for IO incentives account. You want to make sure that you're linked into Twitch, and it's going to give you a lot of more steps and stuff like that. For example, they might ask you a verification ID through your phone or through your email. So make sure you put in the number that they give you. Once you link that in, press confirm, and you're already in, and your Twitch account is linked. Once your Twitch account is linked, you want to go to this setting, which is the reward and bonuses. You want to go to First Light. Of course, there's other reward bonuses that they have, but most importantly, we're more focused on First Light. And you will see the Twitch drops into the reward webpage that they have here. And of course, the bonuses when you pre-order game before May 27th. And you will see all the skins that you would get in game and use in game, or whatever purpose that they have in game, onto this webpage. Now, just to let you guys know, I was kind of panicking. I was like, well, I did all the correct steps. I did everything correctly. I linked my Twitch account, and you noticing that your reward system or your rewards from your Twitch is not being dropped into this webpage. What you want to do is you want to go all the way at to the bottom of this web this web browser, and you want to press request update. Once you request update and it was successful, your 2 Twitch drops should be able to drop on this first page, and that means that everything is completely done for you. If you guys have any questions or any concerns related to Twitch, how to link your Twitch account, or something's not working for you, like maybe your password or like a security issue, you can drop them in the comment sections down below, and I will try my best to answer them as much as I can. I will see to figure out the situation with the pre-order bonus skins and suits that's going to be available in First Light, to see where it's going to be available in game, how you're going to use them. I will have a video like that hopefully very soon onto the platform. So make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you can get notified when I post that video very soon. And like I said, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in my next post.